Hey, it's your boy Junie, aka Beef Jerky Style, and today I got for you something very special. We're going to Arby's. We're gonna try out their crispy fish sandwich and their Hawaiian King fish sandwich Deluxe. Deluxe! You hear me? This is gonna be special. I'll see you there.
Welcome to Arby's, and you'll order whenever you're ready.
Alright, crispy fish sandwich.
Alright.
You can also have one of the Hawaiian fish deluxe sandwiches. And that's all.
Doing that.
Alright, thank you. Alright guys, we are here at Arby's. I know a couple of you guys requested that I come here and try out their fish sandwiches. They do have two of them. They have a crispy fish and a King's Hawaiian fish sandwich deluxe. Let's look at the crispy fish first. Alright, looking good here. It has a bunch of shredded lettuce, a lot of tartar sauce. The fish fillet is pretty big, and a lot of lettuce, shredded lettuce. I mean, that's about it. It's made of Alaskan pollock, I believe, wild-caught Alaskan pollock, which makes it pretty similar to the, or it's the same fish as the, I think, the fish fillet, the Wendy's panko fish sandwich, and I think the Burger King one, which I haven't reviewed yet, but the other ones I did review, so you can check out my videos on that. So we have this one. Let's look at the Hawaiian fish deluxe sandwich. I mean, deluxe sounds pretty good to me. Okay, immediately you see the cheese difference right there. You guys see that? What else is there? There is a lot of tartar sauce, the same fish fillet. There's tomato, there's shredded lettuce, and that's about it. The bun is what makes this special on this deluxe. It's that Hawaiian bread, you know, the King's Hawaiian bread. You can get little rolls of it or like a big loaf of it. Dude, I love that bread. That bread is so good. It's nice and sweet, and that's what this bun is. It's pretty cool. All right, let's do a little comparison shot real quick. I don't know if I can hold this up without spilling lettuce everywhere, but all right. Well, you know what? I want to start off with the crispy fish sandwich, the regular one, and see how that one stacks up against the other fish sandwiches. So here I go. I'm gonna take a big old bite. It looks pretty messy. All right. Oh man, this is a messy sandwich. Let's go. Okay. Okay. It tastes kind of like the Filet-O-Fish from McDonald's, except the fish is a little bit, the fillet is a little bit thicker. The tartar sauce tastes almost identical. This is the first sandwich where I feel like there is enough tartar sauce. The other sandwiches, I felt like they skimped out on the tartar sauce and they were lacking a little bit in flavor. This one is like tartar sauce in your face. Here, let's take a look at how it looks on the inside. Ooh, I'm dropping you guys see that clearly? This one's all right, you know. The fish is moist. The coating is not very crispy, but I mean, you can definitely feel that it's kind of like a bit chewy. That tartar sauce is really tangy and it just really hits you. I take back what I said about it kind of reminding me of the Filet-O-Fish from McDonald's. This one is tangier. This is good. Alright, let's try the other one. This one's pretty good. I like that it has a lot of flavor, a lot of tartar sauce flavor. It's kind of wet. It's like a wet sandwich. I got that for $1. There was a coupon online for $1 crispy fish sandwich, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. Alright, let's try the King's Hawaiian fish sandwich. I'm pretty excited about this because I love Hawaiian bread. Alright, let's give it a go. This is the one that has cheese and tomato. It's super wet. The bottom of the bun, or bottom of the sandwich, is all soggy right now from the tartar sauce, I believe. Let's go in. This has a totally different flavor profile than the crispy fish. And the bun is softer, sweeter, and it goes really well with the fish. Here, let me show you what this fish looks like here. It's a very messy sandwich. Very messy sandwich. The tomatoes and the lettuce, you don't really taste it too much because of tartar sauce. There's just so much tartar sauce on here that it masks the flavor of the tomato and the lettuce, but there is a hint of it. Pretty interesting sandwich. Yeah, that bun is coming out more and more. The flavors of that bun, the Hawaiian bread. This is good. It's so messy though. It's like it's falling apart all over. Oh no, I got it all over my jacket. But I'm enjoying this, even though it's super messy. Oh my goodness. How do you eat this? It's falling apart. Oh no. Well, there you have it, guys. Arby's King's Hawaiian Fish Sandwich Deluxe. And crispy. Oh man, hold on. So there you have it. Arby's King's Hawaiian Fish Sandwich Deluxe. And the crispy fish, which by the way has a poppy seed bun, in case I didn't mention it earlier on. Compared to the Hawaiian, oh, this one is just so messy. I don't know. All right, so how do these compare to the rest? I think these are really good. I like the fact that it has a lot of tartar sauce. Maybe a little too much. Maybe if it was toned down a little bit, it'd be even better. But I like that it has a lot of tartar sauce compared to the other places. I think the basic fish sandwich, the crispy fish sandwich, is pretty good. I would rate it a little bit higher than McDonald's. It's on par with like Wendy's, maybe a little bit better than Wendy's. This one, I think it is definitely up there with the walleye sandwich from Culver's and the Cajun flounder sandwich from Popeyes. I think this one is up there for sure. This one's a very interesting combination, and I really like it. I would come back and get this. Both of them are good. If I was craving a fish sandwich and there was an Arby's nearby, I would not hesitate. It's some good stuff. And with that, I say, stay safe out there, be good, and holla back.